Hey everybody, and welcome back to Farmboy's Garage. And we've been out here working on the garage doors today, trying to get these draft stops in. Had some issues, but I'll tell you one thing, YouTube, it's good for a lot of things, but figuring out how to put draft stops on doors is not one of them. So I thought I'd show you real quick on these draft stops. I got these two up. This one's not really level even, but it'll be alright. This one's a little more even, but I'm gonna be honest with you, on these Janus doors, I would not even buy these draft stops. They're not worth the money. They don't even touch the doors. They make some brushes that I think will do a better job. And my top stop, I'm gonna show you in another video that, but I've got a little issue with this one, so you want to come back and revisit it. So when you order these door stops, my doors are 10 foot by 10 foot, so they come in a 20 foot, roughly a 20 foot coil. This stuff is for gray. So with no instructions whatsoever. It also comes with these little metal strips. Look like this, just a thin strip of metal with a little L on it. Now where these mount is behind the track. So I'm going to show you right here how it looks like when you mount the door stop on the metal strip. All right, everybody, so when you get your side draft installed on your piece of metal here, it's going to look like this. So you got your piece goes up, and then on this side of this side draft, it's got little ridges, and the other side's smooth. So you want to have it just like that. So you want to have it going up and then going at a bevel, so that when we put this will go to the back side of the track. So that'll be right up against the door right there. All right, and then once you get that mounted, if you've already mounted your track like I have, I couldn't get my track loose up here, so I had a lot of issues getting it in. But you take that track loose and slide this metal behind it. And here's the little L right here, and the other side will be facing like this. But as you see, it don't really touch the door. So to me, I mean, you can see all the light. To me, that draft stop ain't really worth a flip. I don't think I'm even going to bother putting it on the other two doors. I may get some of that brush draft stops, but anyway, that's how you do your Janus door side draft stops. And I hope that helps you out. So if it did help you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks.